A long time ago I found this article, and after few changes from Mike Osborn by myself, Mike Osborn had sound. I changed to not use servo library, and now is a device. So here is a line 1, line 2, sensor 1, sensor 2, sensor 3, sensor 4, and if I trigger the sensor 1, gate or barrier are closed. Now activate the trigger sensor 2. Now no train. Now I put a train from sensor 4. Now our sensor 3 are activated. It are open. Now I simulate train to goes from left to right, and for line 2 are second train from right to left. So has to train. First goes here, second goes here, and now barrier are open. It's very interesting. I need to rework to create a physical system, but I think it's okay.